Hi, I am Daniel. Thinking of renovating your bathroom? Hold up. Before you start smashing tiles or swiping your card, let's talk about the most common mistakes people make and how you can avoid them. Trust me, a little planning now can save you thousands later. First, do your due diligence on the builder. Don't just hire the cheapest quote. That's a trap. Ask for recommendations from people you trust. Check reviews, not just the star rating, but read the comments. And here's the big one. Go see previous jobs they've done in person. Pictures can lie, real tiles don't. Next mistake, poor planning. Map out your bathroom layout. Know exactly where you want the toilet, sink, shower, and storage. That will save a lot of time and money on moving pipes later. Set a budget and then add at least 15 to 20% extra for surprises. Trust me, there are always surprises. Shop around for your materials. Use the internet. Tiles, taps, fixtures. Often you can find better quality for less than what your builder might quote. This is your space. Don't be afraid to be involved. Get daily updates from your builder. Ask questions, challenge assumptions, and always do your own research. Not sure what they're saying is true? Get a second opinion. Watch how the tiles are being installed. Are they aligned properly? Are the cuts clean? Are they avoiding the blob method and using full coverage adhesive? If they mess up, make sure they fix it and pay for any materials that need replacing. Plan ahead to hide pipes and wiring neatly. It makes a big difference in the finished look. And before signing off the job, inspect everything. Run the water, check the tiles, test every plug and switch. Bathroom renovations can be stressful, but they don't have to be a disaster. Plan smart, stay involved, and never be afraid to speak up. Hit like if this helped, and drop your Reno horror stories in the comments. See you next time.